Question 1. What was the first ever definition of psychology? The first ever definition of psychology was the study of soul. Question 2. Define psychology. Psychology is the study of mental processes, cognitive processes, and behavior. Question 3. Who was the founder of behaviorism? John Broadus Watson was the founder of behaviorism. Question 4. Define psychology as the science of consciousness. William James proposed that psychology must be considered the science of consciousness. Consciousness refers to your individual awareness of your unique thoughts, memories, feelings, sensations, and environment. Your conscious experiences are constantly shifting and changing. Question 5. What are the different goals of psychology? The goals of psychology are description, explanation, prediction and modification of behavior. Question 6. Briefly explain industrial psychology. Industrial psychology is a scientific study of employees, workplaces, organizations and organizational behavior. Industrial psychology is also known as work psychology, organizational psychology or IO psychology. An industrial psychologist contributes by improving the workplaces, satisfaction and motivation levels of the employees, and helping the overall productivity of the organization. Question 7. What are the responsibilities of criminal psychologists? A criminal psychologist is a professional that studies the behaviors and thoughts of criminals. A large part of what a criminal psychologist does is studying why people commit crimes. However, they may also be asked to assess criminals in order to evaluate the risk of recidivism, how likely the person is to reoffend in the future, or make educated guesses about the actions that a criminal may have taken after committing a crime. Question 8. What is the difference between a clinical and educational psychologist? A clinical psychologist is a mental health professional with highly specialized training in the diagnosis and psychological treatment of mental, behavioral and emotional illnesses, while educational psychologists study children of all ages and how they learn. While investigating how children process emotional, social and cognitive stimuli, they make assessments based on the child's reactions to stimuli. They use this analysis to identify learning, social and behavioral issues that impede children's learning.